If you work in manufacturing, a smooth and uninterrupted production is your #1 priority. And having access to your machines remotely is the only safe way to ensure constant uptime wherever your facilities are.
Secomea provides access to any OT equipment, seamlessly and securely, giving you the ability to provide instant access to any of your technicians to any factory around the world.
So you eliminate travel expenses, minimize response time, and reduce security risks. Did you know that manufacturing is the industry seeing the highest share of cyber attacks globally? Secomea lives up to the standards of the most cybersecurity conscious factory owners, giving peace of mind to you and your stakeholders.
We are compatible with both brownfield and greenfield installations, making it possible to implement without upgrading the entire network. This makes the total cost of ownership for our customers very attractive.
And the best part of this is that we take care of the implementation at record speed. No more struggling with IT complexity, delays in the implementation, and the constant need for IT involvement. With the perfect blend of cybersecurity and user-friendliness, you can manage remote access in seconds.
After a quick setup, 1 factory per day, you gain control, you stay secure, ready to defend your factory floor.
It's simple with Secomea.